for my experiment, I took 3 identical bird feeders and put safflowers in them. I colored each feeder different colors, red, yellow, and blue. My hypothesis is I think that they will eat the most of the red seeds. Question 1. What kind of bird live in the area? The birds that live in the area are the chickadee, blue jay, robin, sparrow, white rabbit, cardinal. Question 2. What kind of food do they eat on a daily basis? Not all of these birds eat seeds. Some of these birds will eat anything edible, even other birds. Question 3. What colors can birds see? There is a wide range of light spectrum. Humans can only see the visible light spectrum. Birds can also see the ultraviolet light spectrum. This means they see colors differently than we do. This is a picture of what we see compared to what birds see. Conclusion. The results of my experiment were that the birds ate the red seeds first, but eventually ate the yellow seeds and blue seeds. This means my hypothesis was only partially correct. Any questions?
Educational questions?
So birds are carnivores? Some of them. So the crow is the one, like crows will eat anything, like sometimes mice or other birds. Some like birds like the robin and the blue jay will eat also fruit, nuts, and like worms, spiders, and insects. Yeah. David?
My ELM was on a blue jay in first grade. One thing I wonder since then was, what type of either flowers or plants do they eat?
Well, for my experiment, I used sunflower seeds.
Any others?
Nyla?
Did you dye the seeds?
Yeah.
You can take one more.
When you planted the seeds, did the flowers did end up the color? Did the flowers end up the color?
Oh, I didn't plant them. I put them in bird feeders. And then, yeah.
And you said all bird feeders looked alike, right?
Yeah, they were the exact same bird feeders. The exact same.
Keeping that very amazing. Awesome.